Hello, my name is Mr. Harmon. Welcome to Mr. Harmon's class. Today, I'd like to show you how to divide using an area model. Our title will be Area Model Division. As a sample problem, let's take 136 divided by 8. Now, we'll rewrite this in the standard algorithm. 136 divided by 8. This is the way you'll see it on a test. Let's label our vocabulary. This number here is the dividend. This number is the divisor. It's the number we divide by. We need to know how to multiply this number. Our answer to the problem is the quotient. Now, remember those vocabulary terms. The dividend is the number we're dividing, the divisor is the number we're dividing by, and the quotient is our answer. Let's go ahead and do this problem. 136 divided by 8. Take 136, draw a square around it. Actually, it's a rectangle, a shape. Draw a box around it. Take your divisor here. So your number is inside this shape. Now, we need to know how to multiply this. So let's look at our multiples of 8. That's what we have to know. We'll do what's called the tops and bottoms. Here's 8. You will write this beside on a spare part of your paper somewhere. 1 times 8 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 8 is 24. 24 plus 8 is 32. 32 plus 8 is 40. 40 plus 8 is 48. 48 plus 8 is 56. 56 plus 8 is 64. 64 plus 8 is 72. Now, we just write these numbers down in order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So 9 times 8 is 72. 6 times 8 is 48. 4 times 8 is 32. Now we have what we call our tops and bottoms written out. We can use this when we multiply. So I'm looking for the numbers 13. Okay, it has to be, look over here, it has to be 13 or smaller. Here's 8, that's smaller. 16 is too big, so it has to be 8. That's 1 times 8 is 8. If I have a number left, I have to write a 0 here, and I write the 0 up here in the answer part also. Now we subtract. 6. 13 minus 8 is 5. Now we have 56. Let's write that beside here. Draw another shape around it, another box. 56. I look over here in my tops and bottoms for the number 56 or smaller, and I see it. It's right here. It's the number 7. 7 times 8 is 56. So if we subtract, we get 0. Now we take our numbers up here, add them. 10 plus 7 is 17. So 136 divided by 8 is 17. Let's do another one. I'm going to give you a sample problem, and let's see if you can do it real quick. Let's do 128 divided by 2. Stop the video and you do this problem. Then start it again when you want to see how to do it. Now, here's how we do it. 128. Draw the shape around it, a box. Put our divisor here. Now, we'll go ahead and do our tops and bottoms. We have 2. 1 times 2 is 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I look for the number 12 and I see it here. It's 6. 6 times 2 is 12. Write a 0 here and a 0 here. We subtract. We get an 8. 8 is in our next box. Here I find 8. That's 4. 4 times 2 is 8. I subtract and get 0. Now I add my factors together, the numbers together. 60 plus 4 is 64. So 128 divided by 2 is 64. Or 1,224 divided by 6. So we have the number 6. Let's do our tops and bottoms. 6, 1 times 6 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. 18 plus 6 is 24. 24 plus 6 is 30. 30 plus 6 is 36. 36 plus 6 is 42. 42 plus 6 is 48. 48 plus 6 is 54. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times 6 is 54. 8 times 6 is 48. 5 times 6 is 30. 3 times 6 is 18. Now let's put the problem 1,224. Put a box around it. And we put our divisor here. Okay, our first number is 12. I see it right here. That's 2. 2 times 6 is 12. Write your zeros here to make up for the other numbers that are missing. Now we subtract. We get 4 and 2. Write that beside here. Draw another box around it. 24. Oh, look, I see 24 here. That would be 4. 4 times 6 is 24. Subtract and get 0. Now we write our numbers over here. 200 plus 4, 0 and 2. And this is our quotient. 1,224 divided by 6 equals 204. And just like I did before, I'm going to let you solve it. 4,561 divided by 2. You pause the video and solve this problem and then turn it back on again to see your answer. All right, now, we write our number 4,561. Draw a box around it. Again, we have our 2's up here already. First number we're going to divide for is 4. So 2 times 2 is 4. Write zeros here. Subtract 165. 561. Put that over here. 2. 2 goes into 5 how many times? 2 times 2 is 4. Write zeros here because we have these two numbers left. We subtract 161. 161. Write another box around that. Now we're going to look at the number 16. 8 times 2 is 16. Add a 0 here and a 0 here and subtract. We get 1. Now what we have here is 1 cannot be divided by 2. So that's what we have left as a remainder. So we write 2,280. 0, 8, 2, 2. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousands. We have that 2,280 with a remainder of 1. And that's how you would write your remainder. All right. That's how to divide with the area model. Play this back and practice this again. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. See you in the next one.